Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is day 2 or day 3 in the hospital, I think. And Minnie is here, looking different today again. There she is, sleeping away. Say morning, Sarah. Say hi, Faves. Hi, Faves. So you guys, I have her in my hand because she's already a little trickster, as Tyler would say. Her first day and night, she was so quiet. When I say so quiet, it was too good to be true, but hey, that was just a trick. Since then, she's been crying if I move from beside her on the bed. If I put her down in her bed, she cried her lungs out. She doesn't want me to leave her for a second. If I'm going to use the bathroom or the toilet and I say, babe, stay with her, I'll be back, she cried her lungs out until I get back. So already she's a mama's little girl. She don't want to leave mama at all. And she's been breastfeeding very well. I gave her first bath by myself this morning. When the midwife came, they allowed me to bath her, so I gave her a first bath this morning. She's continuing to do well. She's sleeping away, but she's sleeping peacefully in my hand. If I ever put her down, that's the end of it. The end of it. But she's doing well. I had breakfast this morning. I've been breastfeeding. Tyler should come and see her again later in the day today. Babe, however, is in the bathroom getting ready to go and register her, because you have to register her within 3 days after she's born here in France. So he's going to the city hall to get her birth certificate and stuff to get back. So he's doing that now, and it's lunch hour, so it's a perfect time for him to leave until he gets back. I just received lunch, however, so I'm going to eat right now. Oh, I hear like a poop. I'm gonna eat right now. Hopefully you guys are doing well. As you guys can see, I'm doing well. Recovery is going good for me. I'm just in the room resting and stuff. So yeah, that's what's been going on. I'm gonna eat so that way I can continue to get milk to feed my little fat cheek mama. But yeah, that's her. That's my girl. That's my girl. You see where her mouth is? Boob, she's searching for. Look at her searching. Look at her searching. Ready for more titty mouth? Look at her searching. Oh, all right. So for lunch today, they bring me, this is some fruits in here, that's salad, bread, cheese, sauce, and in here that's fish, and that look like some kind of vegetables. So I am going to eat and drink up a lot of water so I can get some milk for my girl. Watch her searching for Titi. Also, this is our view from our hospital room. So pretty, isn't it? I didn't get to show you guys what our room looked like. Hopefully I'll get to show you guys before the day ends, but this is the view outside. And we don't have any vase, so babe just cut off a bottle for my flowers that he bring me yesterday. But I'm gonna see if I can show you guys the room later.
Good morning, guys. It's
New daddy?
No, I'm still daddy.
Yeah, but you're a new daddy?
I remain daddy. I'm just a daddy of 2 persons.
I just put on Sarah because girl. Babe said, let's see how long
Day 2.
Day 2 or day 3? You'd call it day 2?
Maybe day 3. It's
think
plus
so.
2.
Yeah. Whichever.
Plus 2. Yeah, day 3, day plus 2. I'm getting ready. I'm on my way to the city hall. There's a law in France. You have to register your kids within a certain time. Otherwise, your kid is not recognized. And when your kid is not recognized, that's terrible. Oh yeah, it's gonna take you more than a year to make him or make her recognized. You don't have no social security. It's like no number. It's like and no person. So no ID, no social
no health
security,
insurance. You won't get nothing.
Nothing. So I have to go. Normally it's 3 days to do that, and it's very short term. So the good thing we are two. The person that only the mother give birth.
Don't know how they do. They have to find a friend or something to do that for them.
Somebody else have to do that. So hey, I'm getting ready. I'm going and I'll let you along with her.
Yes, she's waking up. She's waking up. Oh my god, so cute. Tiens, super la princesse.
On peut, si vous avez besoin de
Non,
plus,
bah c'est
on
tout
peut.
bon comme ça, c'est juste ce qu'il faut, c'est super. Voilà, merci ça. La petite grenouille. Voilà, ça, c'est bien. Attends. Ça.
Le modèle.
Voilà. Oh, she's so adorable.
Oh oui. Maman, oui, tu dis rien de sage. Allez-y, je vous laisse en faire une et après j'enchaîne. Parce qu'après j'aurai besoin de vous pour la tenir. Alors. Bravo.
Oh my god.
Allez ma chérie.
Hop,
Regarde. On va dessus.
She's so adorable.
Hop. Oui, après je gigote. Allez-y, j'allais retirer votre main. Restez quand même à côté, hein. On ne sait jamais. Là, je vais avoir besoin de votre main. Celle-ci, your hand. Voilà, juste comme ça. Hop. Voilà, parfait. Bougez pas. Oh, notre petite épaule. Voilà, super. Bougez pas trop. La petite caresse. Vous allez croiser les bras comme ça et les poser juste ici. Voilà, comme ça, voilà. Et votre visage au-dessus du sien. Et papa, vous, votre visage au niveau de ses épaules.
Pareil.
Pareil. Et puis tous les trois collés serrés, vous me regardez. Super. Bougez pas, parfait. Maman, est-ce que vous pouvez avancer encore un tout petit peu? Voilà, super. Je vérifie. Oui, top. Je vais garder que maman bébé pour celle-ci. Pareil, avec votre visage au-dessus. Super. Top. Parfait. Merci, maman. Papa, je vais avoir besoin, vous, de votre bras gauche. Voilà, donc vous restez là. Vous allez tendre votre bras gauche juste comme ça. Père, ne bougez pas. Allez, je lâche. Hop.
Non.
Hop.
Oh.
Surya. Surya, ma puce. Surya, regarde. Oui, Surya. Oh, voilà. On va attendre qu'elle se place. Hop. Alors, allez-y, collez bien votre pouce, sinon on va pas la voir. Surya. Ah bah voilà, c'était ça qui t'embêtait. Oh oui.
Actuellement, son pied.
Voilà. Je vous fais un petit câlin en me regardant. Parfait. Allez-y, tournez votre visage vers moi. Encore. Alors, attendez.
cute.
Super, encore une. J'attends vraiment qu'elle se pose, la princesse. Tu vois,
Oh,
il n'en reste plus que 3. J'allais dire sinon elle a une tétine ou quelque chose. On va voir si elle se calme. Voilà, bon. Oh, sur rien, Sarah, sur rien. Voilà. Ouais, vous avez une tétine? Elle a une tétine ou pas?
Elle n'a jamais pris.
she don't like it.
Elle n'a jamais pris encore la tétine.
On va voir, hein? Voilà, ma chérie. Attends, voilà. Regarde ma fille. Regarde.
She's okay.
Hey guys, well, after photoshoot, surprise photoshoot.
That we didn't know was coming.
I don't know, someone just knocked at the door.
Adorable.
So, babe feel she want a cake.
I feel I want cake.
Yeah, you feel
me
you
and
want to-
bring me back cake.
Well, let's say the truth. I went to McDonald's and get a cheesecake. So, but I think she feel for cake.
There's always a feeling for cake.
Yeah.
And we know I'm cheesecake addict. So
Cheesecake. So that's gonna be your cheesecake.
thank you.
You happy?
Yes.
Yes. She wanted the ice cream, but it's too hot outside. If I bring the ice cream here, it will be water from here. So, yeah. And outside is as pretty as.
Can be.
Yeah.
And Tyler is somewhere on the beach frolicking right now with Jen. And Sarah is here on the goodness. Sarah is on Titi after her glamour shoot. I'm gonna eat my cake and try and see if I can get some rest. Sarah haven't really slept much unless she's in my hands.
Yeah, you need to adapt yourself to Sarah mode now.
When I reach home, for sure.
Oh yeah, to sleep any time in the day. You don't look what time is it. You sleep when Tara sleep. Because in the night,
I sleep when who sleep?
when Sarah sleep.
I think it's a Tyler sleep.
Maybe I say that. Camera will tell you. It's recorded, so camera will tell you.
Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna grab on my cheesecake and go and get a nap. You guys, look who just showed up. Take time, okay. Wait.
She's lovely. She's lovely.
Wait, come. Take your time, I'll put it in the You want to hold her?
Everybody knows he has a sister. The security man.
Okay,
See people at the beach.
Yeah. Sit.
It is you who say he just had a sister. It's you also to say to everybody.
Because the man asked us if it was urgent.
Baby.
And Tyler said, no, I have a sister.
Put your hand under her head back.
We had a
Time,
photo
Frankie.
shoot this morning.
Surprise, yes.
From who?
The hospital.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look. Look at Ty. You look so happy, man. You look like a good big brother.
Look at him blushing away.
Mama, I miss you.
I miss you too.
I
Yeah.
miss you from Auntie's house.
I know, but we're gonna go home. I think we might go home tomorrow.
Yeah.
All of us might go home tomorrow, okay?
Or after tomorrow,
Or
okay?
after tomorrow, so you might have 2 more sleep at Auntie Jane tonight and 1 more night, or maybe just tonight. We'll see. Tomorrow we'll know when we go home. Okay?
Ah, yes, Ty. I know, I see her, baby. She's lovely.
So why you have your mouth open like that? Who is this?
Mama!
Oh, take time, Punky.
Can I carry her?
Yes, you can carry her soon. You
Ah.
want to carry her? You want to sit and put her in your hand?
But it's a zero.
That's okay.
Sleeping with babies.
Lay down beside her. Look at my babies.
They were all talking about how good I looked in LA. And
Look
I
at
know
my
I look good.
babies.
Yeah, because you also mad that
But when I come here,
they wanted you.
it's different. You know, they're not ready to go put your heels on for
Babe said they wanted you, Jen. Babe said they wanted you.
in LA.
Yeah, oh, you look good.
Baby
You
girl.
love sister?
Baby girl. Yeah.
You turn baby.
How you know what to do? How you know what to do? You shouldn't be knowing.
What you mean? Because that's what they do to me and we always talk about it. When I'm in the streets without him, that's what they do to me. We joke about Jen, thanks for the card.
You're welcome.
No, if you can do two different.
Okay.
Look, Ty, she crying.
What's your email?
See, Mama.
Calm, Ty, not so rough.
Like that, and I just touching it.
Yes, and give her kisses.
That's me. I love you.
Can I sing to her? Well, that means I love you.
What kind of animal is that, Tyler? Is it Tyler? Is it Tyler Teratops?
No, I'm sorry.
You're Tylosaurus?
You say your prayers at Auntie Jen before you go to bed at night? You forget? Why?
She teach me your prayers. You can't get nothing past Mommy, huh?
When you're going to bed, you say, Auntie Jen, it's time to say prayers. And you say prayers to Auntie Jen, okay? Tell Auntie Jen you do 2 prayers every night before bed. Okay? The last thing you do before you close your eyes to sleep.
That's nice.
Okay?
Okay.
Alright. It's time for you to go and get a shower at Auntie Jen, wash your hair, and you get a nap. Alright? Oh!
Look at my baby enjoying at the restaurant. Yeah, with fish soup. Yes, fish soup.
This is like onion soup.
It's not onions. Look at the color. It's,
I know.
it's
It
with
could
a
be onion and all.
green vegetable soup.
So it's like broccoli and
Well, more petit pois,
potato and green peas.
green peas. Not potato, potato is not green.
It's a texture when I say potato.
Okay. What else do you have?
So I got soup, and this is veggies. My favorite, so I'm definitely gonna eat that, is lettuce and corn and carrot and olive. No, this is definitely going to the bin. And what is this, honey?
It's a dessert. It's like a
Yeah, but what is it? Pudding?
I'm
Pie?
making
Cake?
flan aux œufs. It's like egg cake
Oh,
with caramel on top.
caramel on top.
Yeah, I think it's like, you see, like
That's burnt sugar, really.
right.
Yes.
That's about, but it's not as good as the thing that you get.
The bread, and I had got a pizza, and of course, the way it is, baby know that I wouldn't eat
Yeah,
it.
mushroom pizza.
So when babe go and get his dinner out, which I'm sure he's gonna go to the Chinese restaurant.
I wasn't about to because yesterday I was disappointed. But if you want me to go
So where you
there,
were gonna go?
I don't know. But if you want me to go there, I'll go there for you.
Yeah, so that's what I want. I'm gonna get a second dinner. You bring me back rice and chicken with sesame.
I think I have the
Yeah, oh, it was a
That's
pork
the
with
one I
a
like.
sesame, but it wasn't that good. So maybe I see there's a chicken, white chicken with pineapple, for example. You like this?
I'm not a fan of that one. You normally take that one.
Okay, I can tell you. But they don't have much choice. Where we
Or you
go.
call me on camera and see what is
Yeah.
there. Snap pictures and send me.
I tell you.
And to name.
Okay.
So I'm gonna eat the soup and the veggies and one of the bread.
I'm about to go because I wanted to watch Chuck.
Alright, go and come back. You can go buy your dinner. Buy a second one for me.
And here is the little princess.
So let's see how long that gonna last. She's so correct, make a big girl.